Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of southern Vermont, including the following counties: Rutland and Windsor. When? Until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Low-water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Additional details: at 4:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Given the heavy rainfall seen in the area on Friday, additional flooding is expected. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.25 to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Killington, Bridgewater, Plymouth, Mendon, South Sherburne, and West Bridgewater. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.